guys, I'm here. I'm gonna cook me some cow foot and yellow rice. Hi, this is Winnie Adventure. I'm gonna cook some cow foot and bean. So I have my sweet pepper, scallion, thyme, onion, and I have and ginger. I'm gonna blend my season. I'm getting browning all purpose. Slap your mama. And complete season and parsley. Good. Complete.
Is that serious? Question. Still sulking about last night.
All purpose.
Be your words. Come on, man. It's just dad being dad. Pretends to listen, and then does whatever the hell he wants to do. You can't possibly be surprised by that. No.
Parsley.
Pretty chipper for someone who's just taking a job away from and giving you choice of boyfriend. Should we be more furious than I am? Let's call him close up. Well, you
Slap your mama.
see, that's the difference between you and me. What you see is an insult, I see as an opportunity.
Browning.
Just because Dad suggested it doesn't mean it's the worst idea in the world. Look at it, this is a company you run, and you have somebody who can help keep you in check while you run. Now, if you need to go off and throw the tantrum,
Water.
you can take a step back, think about it, and consider all possibilities. Okay, let's just concentrate on the next steps. Between you and him.
So I'm going to have the vinegar. Vinegar ready. So I'm going to wash it. So I'm gonna make it marinate for about 30 minutes. So I'm putting up at the season. Leave this for 30 minutes and then you will see the process of it.
3 days later.
So then I have some jackfruit from Jamaica. This came from Jamaica for me. So this is the cow foot. That's how it look. So it's up with pressure already, so that I have.
What happened?
So my pan is ready, so I'm gonna cut it. Right out of my garden. So I'm gonna add some more onion. I'm gonna take it out of this pot. I'm gonna cover it. What? Yeah. I'm gonna put the butter bean.
Me used to feel good too. You never hear, oh, you there when me attack, I win it the day when me attack to Hansen. Hansen just say, when them, mama you take me from them, then cry. You know, grandmother and grandfather cry.
I have the bean, so I'm waiting on it to put on.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Don't it, Willie? Yeah, boy. Hey, mama. What the hell you want with?
So guys, I need a little bit more season. When I put the cornflakes in the season. I'm gonna ask me some oxtail season. Yes, that's okay now. I'm gonna cover it and make it dry down a little bit more. So my rice is already cooked. I'm gonna show you the rice in a few. So this is the rice, guys. This is my yellow rice that I'm gonna with the cow foods. Then I do some pasta on the side. That's pasta and shrimp with carrot and broccoli and corn.
Bye, sit down.